the weather team you can trust, here's meteorologist Kayla Smith.
We haven't seen a whole lot of the sky today. It's been a lot of cloud cover. If you look closely enough, definitely if you look outside yourself, you'll see it. But if you look close enough at the sky outside this cam, you can make out a little bit of the moonlight that's poking through and shining on some of those clouds. We are starting to move away from the precipitation, at least for the meantime. Now, temperatures right now at 49 degrees. It's only a little bit chillier than it was earlier today. We only really got to the mid-50s. Some of us are still in the mid-50s, some of us into the low 50s. We're not going to see those temperatures moving a whole lot overnight tonight, maybe only dropping into the upper 40s, if that. And then we are going to see those temperatures coming up much more throughout the day tomorrow. A lot of us are going to be back into the 60s, well into the 60s. In fact, a little bit above average. Precipitation has tapered off for a lot of our area right now. We're starting to get into what we call a predecessor rain event, or a PRE, from the two systems colliding. We had the low pressure system that brought us that little bit of rain today, which was not a whole lot of rain, but it's starting to combine with a low pressure system that's coming up the coast, and then we have this plume of precipitation that's offshooting just off to our east. So unfortunately, we are not in the bullseye for this. We're not going to be seeing a whole lot of this rain, but here is that coastal low. This is going to continue to make its way up the coast, and we haven't seen the last of it. It is going to continue to make its way further up towards the north. Looking at this on the future view, large scale, we're going to continue to see that system long after that PRE moves out, going to continue to move up the coast, eventually pushing a little bit further towards western New York once again. So we will get a little bit more rain heading towards Monday morning. A closer look at this shows that tonight, not a whole lot more rain unless you are a little bit further towards the east. A little bit of that shower activity is potentially going to trickle into our area. You maybe see a few sprinkles very early tomorrow morning, but that quickly subsides, and then we're going to see the clouds subside as well. We're going to see a lot of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a great day to get outdoors, and again, those temperatures are going to be much warmer. But then heading towards Monday morning, likely around 5, 6, 7 o'clock, you see that precipitation increasing from the east and spreading a little bit out further towards the west. You are obviously going to get more rain to the east than you are in the west, because it is going to be closer to the center of that system. But we are still going to be seeing some of that precipitation moving its way across our entire DMA. It does taper off in the afternoon. We start to see the clouds only by the time we're heading towards the evening hours. Not a whole lot of precipitation expected with that system. So it doesn't do much for our drought conditions. Temperature is going to be in the 60s for the start of the work week, but looking at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we do expect a dry cold front to come through, bring our temperatures back down into the 50s.